Number 3. Logitech K350. This budget ergonomic keyboard delivers impressive comfort for an amazingly low price. Logitech designed the K350 to accommodate finger lengths with its wave design. You won't struggle to adjust to it, unlike other split keyboards. Extra keys allow quick access to features like zoom and volume control. Customization options add convenience, making your workflow smoother. You won't find the premium feel of key presses present in pricier models, but that's a fair trade-off for the cost. Curved rows and a wave shape help keep your wrists in a neutral, comfortable position. Typing for long periods feels much less strenuous. An integrated wrist rest provides added support, reducing strain further. However, this wrist rest increases the keyboard's footprint, so you'll need ample desk space. Older doesn't mean outdated. The K350 holds its own even compared to newer models like Logitech Wave keys. It's not Bluetooth capable, but it offers a ton of dedicated extra keys, including media controls. This makes it a versatile choice for a range of users, from newbies to budget-conscious shoppers. What I love most is the comfort and cost efficiency. It's an ergonomic keyboard that doesn't break the bank. The size may be a drawback for those with smaller workspaces, but it's a reasonable compromise given its features. Reviewing all aspects, the Logitech K350 stands out as the best budget ergonomic keyboard. Its mix of comfort, customization, and cost makes it hard to beat. Consider giving it a look. You might just find it's the perfect fit for your typing needs.